What's going on, you guys? My name is Jim and you are watching my vlog channel. In this video, it's going to be a vlog, but this is kind of like a tutorial vlog. So this vlog is for those people. Before I continue, I wish someone would have made this video for me when I started to do video content creating on YouTube back in the day. This hopefully is a video that you can get a grasp of understanding how to shoot video, edit video, and upload video all just using your iPhone. And this is what I'm on right now, and this whole entire video, this is my iPhone, this whole entire video shot and edited on this phone. No laptop, no external hard drives, no SD cards or anything. This is what I did for 2 years, and I had to go and like trial and error and try to figure out what I was doing, because I wanted to make videos, I wanted to create videos, I wanted to do vlogs, I wanted to do everything, but I had to learn all by myself. There was a couple videos here and there online explain some segments of what needs to happen, but it wasn't kind of like a all-in-one video. So I hope this video is kind of like the all-in-one kind of cliff note version of what to expect. Edit the video and upload the video all using just your phone, because that's, again, you don't need expensive equipment. Like literally, this is showing you you do not need expensive equipment. You don't need like the latest Canon camera, Nikon, or Sony camera. You don't need all this high-end stuff. And you saw me, this is just my iPhone. So there were a couple clips that I will have to explain in the beginning because they were actually in the wrong frame rate. I'll just be explaining those clips within the video, but I pretty much had this whole entire vlog of just my day-to-day thing that I do, just as an example for what it looks like to vlog footage, and then later on in the video I show how to edit footage just a little bit, so you can get a grasp of it, so you're not like overwhelmed with like, oh, this is just boring content. I will explain to you a little bit about it. You can see this vlog. It's kind of like a mock vlog, but hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully you get something out of it. Leave a comment in the comment section down below the video. Please watch the whole video because it does explain a lot, and you might skip some steps if you skip ahead, or if you don't watch it all. But please, if you could, leave a comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions, and if you could, please hit that subscribe button in the bottom corner of the screen, because it does help me out as a content creator. But thanks for watching, and I will see you probably at the end of this video. Enjoy, and see you in a little bit. Peace. So here's my room. It's a little messy here. Yep, definitely not looking too hot. Nope, it's been a while since I've, yeah, look at that mess. Now I'm gonna take the vacuum. I'm gonna turn this itch on and go to town, getting all that stuff off the floor. Man, my shoes just track all this garbage. So I've been getting back into working out a little bit more, doing some chest, and then doing some back. Number 3. Alright, you guys, so we just got done with a quick workout, and that's it for that. And our next step is to probably make some food. We gotta do that because you can't grow muscle without nourishment and nutrition. We're gonna make some chicken, and we're gonna eat it. Well, I'm gonna eat it because I'm starving. Guys, so before we cook and eat, we're gonna go out for a run. Probably about a mile run, 2 miles, and then we can cook and eat. Got one more step before all that stuff. Apologize for being out of breath, and I will be out of breath when I start running. I'll film some of the running too with the gimbal so you can actually see how stable this thing is too. I won't film the whole entire run, but I'll get some segments of it so you can see how stable this thing actually is with motion, fast motion, and a lot of movement. Let's do this. Alright, you guys, so I just got done with the run, but I'm gonna run again just for you guys so you can see how stable this thing is. I'm just gonna run down the block here. so you can see how this looks. So this is the forward facing camera right now. So the camera that you use to film anything, not to take selfies, but just to film. So this is how stable it is right now. It's gonna run, then I'm gonna turn around. Turn around right now. So you can see how well this keeps stable with my face and everything. Pulling up back to the house. I got you enough footage to see how well this thing does while running or any action sports shot. I'm tired. Alright, you guys, so that's going to end it for this part of the segment here with all the video stuff. We're going to get into the editing right now, and I might come back just a little bit just to close it off after everything, but this is the end of the whole vlog segment, so to be. So let's get into the editing. Alright, you guys, so this is the editing portion of the video. This is where I was editing the video in real time while trying to make this video here. So as you can see, I'm trying to cut, I'm trying to paste, I'm trying to cut down the timing of this video. So I'm weightlifting in this part of the video, and as you can see, I'm just dragging the footage back, kind of just making sure that I'm not overdoing some parts of the video where it's kind of maybe boring or just kind of like unnecessary. So I'm cutting out and I'm playing it back and forward just to make sure that everything kind of lines up, everything's kind of running smoothly here. And I backed it up a couple times. I'm probably gonna back it up again right there, and just to play it back from what the footage I cut so far for the video. As you can see, those are jump cuts. Those are called jump cuts. So in vlogging, there's a lot of jump cuts, and it is very crucial to use some jump cuts if video is too long or unnecessary. That's what I did for this video, and this is me talking real time within this video, this edit, and explaining this to you. So all I did for that portion to get the screen capture of that footage onto the edit, I just, as you can see on this screen right here, I swiped up from the bottom of my iPhone, and there's an option where you can record and screen record whatever is happening on your screen. So that's what I did real time just now, talking over this footage and recording this footage right onto the edit. So it's kind of cool what you can do with the iPhone so far in terms of editing and implementing voiceover onto that, so onto your edit while editing. It's crazy. I know, it's weird. If you can get the concept of this right now, that's great. We're gonna move forward. Alright guys, so that's gonna end it for this whole entire video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you got some information on iMovie a little bit, what it looks like to cut footage. It doesn't go so far in depth with it, but just enough so you can see how you can just upload your footage onto iMovie. Use the tools on iMovie, you know, just scroll back if you need to. There's a cut tool and there's a different transition. So you'll see scissors. The scissors are going to be at the bottom left. And then you'll see a dissolve, you'll see kind of more of a jump cut. And those transition buttons are at the bottom of the screen with the star and the line and the triangles, all that. to a different clip. You have a different pan over to a different clip. You have so many options on iMovie where you can create your own style of storytelling. And then what you do at the end of your video, you take the video and there should be a button in iMovie and it says upload to YouTube, and then you just upload it to YouTube. It's just that simple. So what's going to happen is you're going to exit, you're going to press done, and it's going to bounce you out to this screen, and then you're going to hit the arrow button up, and you're going to see that there's an option to upload to YouTube right there, moving on the screen right there. And that's how you do it. Simple. I mean, just have an account for YouTube, pretty self-explanatory. Just find a laptop, or you could just, again, do it on your phone. Literally, I've done everything on my phone. And if you have any other questions, leave a comment in the comment section down below. It will really help other people who are looking at this video. Maybe I've left something out, maybe I left a lot of stuff out, maybe I left too much stuff in, I don't know. Leave a comment in the comment section down below, help others out, because we're all trying to learn, we're all trying to do video. That's why you came to this video in the first place. Some questions down below or some comments, and let's all communicate. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It does help me out a lot. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Maybe it'll be on this phone again. This was for you guys, the people that want to get into video editing and video shooting and vlogging and whatever else. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.